Welcome Art Agent Specialists to your mission inspiration for the month of April. Your mission, should you wish to accept it, is as follows. Your list of ingredients to include, but not necessarily in order, are A. Stamp a pattern all over. B. Scrape paint across your page. C. Add small paper shapes, cut, torn, or even die cut. D. Make holes in your page. E. Draw or paint a face or a fragment of one. F. Add just one word as a focal point. G. Add journaling or illegible text. H. Add something metallic or shiny. Your suggested colour scheme for the month is coral, mint and craft. Your words for inspiration are vision, grace, root, time and sacred. Remember, this message will self-destruct in 3 seconds. Good luck.